So the last thing we want to do in our acids and base packet is look at what are called neutralization reactions. These are reactions between something that has an H plus and an OH minus that can come together and make a water molecule. And so there's kind of a procedure here that you want to use. So what you want to look at is what's left over from your acid, right? So again, this is my acid that has the H plus. This is my base. They're going to neutralize together to make water and a salt, right? Salt is just an ionic compound. And so what you have then is Cl minus left over from your acid, and you have Ca2 plus left over from your base. And so those are going to combine to form your salt. And so again, cations listed first. You can quote unquote cross your charges to figure out that your salt formula is CaCl2. Now to balance this, what I would recommend is thinking about how many halves of water you have, right? So in this case you have one H plus, kind of one front half of the water, and two OH minuses, or two back halves of water. And so the number of waters you can make is going to be your least common multiple. What number do 1 and 2 both go into? 2. And then all you have to do is scale your numbers to match that. And so obviously I only need 1 here, but I'm going to need 2 here. And after you do that, your equation should be balanced. And so again, you want to be thinking in terms of multiples when you're talking about reactions. If we look at our second example, what we can see here is we've got SO4 2 minus is our anion. Our cation here is going to be Al3 plus. And so our salt is going to be Al2. I need more than one SO4, so it goes in parentheses. So again, cross your charges to get your subscripts. And then to balance your water, think about the fact that I have 2 H pluses and 3 AOH minuses. And so again, the least common multiple is 6. So I want to get to 6 waters. So I need 6 H pluses, so I need a 3 here. I need 6 OH minuses, so I need a 2 here. And if you do that, what you will find is that your equation is in fact balanced. So again, neutralization reactions can be relatively easy if you kind of follow this procedure. Keep in mind that you could also figure out the charges very easily of your leftover anions and cations based upon the number of H's and OH's you have, since they're each have a -1 or a +1 magnitude. So that's the end of our acids and base packet. Work on those online exercises. As always, thank you for your time.